If you are uploading videos on TikTok and your engagement is growing very slowly and you want more activities on your account, so this video is going to be very useful for you. Today I am going to show you an interesting application called TTBoost. In this application, users complete the task to collect the points and then use those points for engagement on their own accounts. Before get started, this video is made for educational and informational purpose only. Result may vary from user to user depending on account, activity and content quality. Always use social media tools responsibility and follow TikTok community guidelines and policies. First of all, open the Play Store and search for TTBoost. Here you will find the application named TTBoost. Simply install it. After installation, open the app. Now open the app. Now here the app will ask for your TikTok username. Simply copy your TikTok username and paste it here. No password is required. Just enter your username, click continue and the app will open. Now let's talk about the point system of this app. Here you will get different tasks that you can complete to collect points. Let me show you both methods practically. First of all, click on the follow option. Now a user profile will open here. You simply need to follow that profile. After that, come back to the app and you will receive your points. The more tasks you complete, the more points you can collect. In the same way, you will also see video inside the like section. Click on the like button. The TikTok video will open, like the video and then come back to the app. As soon as the task is completed, point will be added to your account. Now if you want engagement on your own TikTok account, open the store section. Here you will find different options like followers and likes. Now you can place an order in two ways. Either you can use points or you can choose the USD option. For now I am using points. Simply select the package and place your order. My order is submitted. This app works on an engagement-based system where users complete each other tasks. That's why many creators use platforms like this to improve activity and reach on their accounts. After placing the order, go to the More section and open the order option. Here you can easily check whether your order is pending, in process or completed. If you invite your friends, there is also a referral option available. For that, go to the More section and open the Refer option. If someone joins through your referral, you may receive an extra 200 points. Guys, I paused the video for a while and now after some time let's check the result again. And as you can see, I started receiving TikTok notification. The followers from the order I placed are now showing on my account. So this is how you can use points inside the app to improve engagement activity on your TikTok account. But for long-term growth, uploading consistent and quality content is always very important. Once again, this video was shared only for informational purpose. Long-term TikTok growth always depends on consistent content, audience engagement, and your own creativity. Please use any platform responsibility and according to TikTok's policies. So guys, this was the TTBoost application through which you can use an engagement-based system to improve your activity on your TikTok account. If you found this video informative, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel and comment below. You will find the TTBoost app link in the description. Thanks for watching.